I ordered something.
Deliver every day at this house.
Right, there isn't, it's normally your shit.
When I've ordered something, you know, because I'm like, dead excited. I just ordered this, where you're like, you don't order something.
I know, because sometimes when you're at work, Scott,
Well,
yeah, I have a couple of glasses of red wine and then I go and then I look on the opposite account and I'm like...
secret shopper. The Instagram pictures don't show the whole movie, do they? There's JVC everywhere.
JVC. I actually was tempted to buy that that wristwatch thing though. I'm not going to go down that road at all. Right. I honestly think that it was just all to avoid embarrassment. I think they didn't want to lose the competition. I think they didn't want to make fools of themselves. They said that they were going to send men up in space. So they were like, oh yeah, we can't actually do this. Who should we get? Get people like Anna, Steven Spielberg and all them people behind him. I don't know if Steven Spielberg is about them. But like someone like him to do a movie set for them so they look like the... Because be honest, when you see them video of them bouncing about on the moon, I don't think that's what it look like on the moon. They proper bouncing about.
This is hardly any gravity.
Nah, Scott, it looks ridiculous. It looks staged. It looks like they've literally got strings attached to them. I've done Panto before, and they look like Peter Pan.
Do not compare the moon landing to you.
And they look like Peter Pan when he flies.
Right.
In the flying scenes, in Panto.
Well, they don't, because they don't actually fly, they just bounce.
You hurt my head sometimes.
The reason that looks so fake and so thick is because Hollywood has ruined it. You were looking at that footage and you're like, what is that? Look at the state of that. That's like laughable. Because then you watch a Hollywood movie where you can see all the stars to make it look good. You can hear sounds which you can't. There was a thing on years ago was that if you want to watch a realistic thing, and it was like a YouTube video, and it was all like the space films, like Oblivion, Star Wars, and I said, this is what it would be like. And they've turned the sound off, so you can't hear outside the space. You can't hear anything. There's no sound. When you're in space, you're looking out there. That's what they see. It's blackness. But that wouldn't sell movies, and it's Hollywood has ruined it. So that something that actually happened looks crap, and like that doesn't look believable because you're relying on this beautiful everything.
Okay, so while Scott has a nervous break,
I'm not having a nervous breakdown. I'm just getting to your point.
Should, just take a break.
Yeah, take a break.
You need a break. You need to just calm down. Because you start to talk really fast and get a little bit irate. No, I know you are. And then we can find out when we come back if my mum and dad have actually really been listening to the podcast. I have a feeling my mum might not have. So I'm going to test her. Are you alright? Do you want me to make a cup of tea?
No, I'm alright. I'm alright. Deep breaths and that, yeah.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Hi, this is Gemma Collins. I'm known for many things. Reality star, diva,